As you can see, everybody taste and see the victory my God has given me.
Thank you for loving me.
For every trial you brought me through.
Thank you for saving me.
Now I can shout glory
To my everlasting King.
Jesus, the King of Kings. You make my life so beautiful.